Hello everyone, my name is Vikrant. I am from the Central University of Haryana. I am the student of journalism and mass communication. Today we are discussing about media management functions. What are the media management functions? Media. What is media? In communication, media is the storage and transmission tool used to store and deliver information or data. It is often referred as a synonymous with mass media or news media, but may refer to a single medium used to communicate any data for any purpose. Media management. Media management is a term used for several related tasks throughout post productions. In generally, any task that relates to processing your media is considered to be media management, such as capturing, compressing, copying, moving, or deleting media files. However, media management also refers to keeping track of your media files via clip properties such as log, notes, comments, sense, numbers, stay short, take number, or so on. Media management is seen as a business administration discipline that identifies and describes strategic and operational uh, phenomena and problems in the leadership of media enterprises. Media management contains the function strategic management, procurement management, production management, organization management, and marketing of media enterprises. Importance of media management. The media plays a very important role in most community, public policy, national and international conflicts. Depending on the nature and the amount of media coverage, the situation can be made better or worse. Importance of media management. If the media does a good job of presenting the issue clearly, but both side point of view what can be done to correct misunderstanding to avoid escalation born from rumors and fear. Coverage of moderate rather than extreme positions is also helpful, is as coverage of attempts to desiccate or resolve the conflicts. Functions of management. For theoretical purpose, it may be convenient to separate the function of management, but practically these functions are overlapping in nature, that is, they are highly inspirable. Each function blends into the other and each affects the performance of others. Four functions of management. There are four functions of management that span across all industries. They include planning, organizing, uh, leading, and controlling. You should think about the four functions as a process where each step builds on the others. The base function is to a planning. It is foundation area of management. It is the base upon which the all the areas have management should be built. Planning requires administration to access where the company is presently set and where it would in the upcoming. Fourth, there an appropriate course of action is determined and implemented to attain the company's goal and objectives. Planning is an ending course of action. There may be certain strategies where companies have to face planning. Sometimes they are uncontrollable. Mm. It is an external factor that consistently affects a company both optimistically and pessimistically. Depending on the conditions, a company may have to alter its course of action is accomplishing certain goals. This kind of preparation arrangement is known as strategic planning. In strategic planning, management analyzes inside and outside factors that may affect the company and so objectives and goals. Here, they should have a study of strengths and weakness, opportunities and threats sought. For management to do this efficiently, it has to be very practical and ample. The subsequent function is to be organized. The second function is management is getting prepared, getting organized. Management must organize all its resources well before it hand to put into practice the course of action to decide that has been planned in the base function. Organize. Through this process, management will now determine the uh, inside directional configuration, establish the maintain relationship, and assign required resources. While determining the inside directional configuration, management ought to look at different divisions on departments. They are also see the harmonization of staff and try to find the best way to handle an important task to exchange your information with the company. Management determines the division of work according to its need. It is also decide for suitable departments and have authority and responsibility. For the third function is directing. Working under the function help the management to control and supervise the actions of the staff. Directing this help them to assist the staff in achieving and company's goal, and also accomplishing their personal or career goals, which can be powered by motivation, communication, department dynamics, and department leadership. Uh, Employees, those which are highly provoked, generally surpass in their job performance and also play important role in achieving the company's goal. And here lies the reason why managers focus on motivating their employees. They come about with prize and incentive programs based on job performance and gathered in the direction of the employee's requirement. It is very important to maintain a productive working environment, building positive interpersonal relationships, and problem solving. And this can be done only with effective communication. Understanding the communication process and working on area that need improvement help managers to become more effective communicators. The finest technique of the finding of the area that requires improvement is to ask themselves and others at regular intervals how well they are doing. This leads to better relationship and plans and helps the managers to better directing plans. The final function is D control. It includes establishing performance standards, which are of course based on the company's objective. It is also involves evaluating and reporting of the actual job performance. When these points are studied by the management, then it is necessary to compare both the things. Control. This study of comparison of both decides further corrective and preventive actions in the effort of solving performance problems. Management should set a higher standard. They should straightforwardly speak to the employee or department having problems. On the contrary, if there are indicate resources or disallow other external factors standards from being attained, management had to lower their standards as per requirement. The controlling process is a comparison with other three, the unending process or say continuous process. With this, management can make any probable problems. It helps them to taking necessary preventive measures against the consequences. Management can also recognize any further developing problems that need corrective actions. Effective and efficient management leads to success, and success where it attains uh, the objectives and goals of the organization. Of course, of achieving The ultimate goal of aim management need to work creatively in problem solving in all the four functions. Management not only has to see needs of accomplishing the goal but also has to look into the process that their way is feasible for the company. A communication plan includes target audience, key message, a budget, a calendar of message categories. Level of management. Levels of management. The term levels of management refers the line of demarcation between various managerial positions in an organization. The number of levels in management increases when the size of business and workforce increase and vice versa. The level of management determines a chain of command and amount of authority and status enjoyed by the any managerial position. Thank you.